nangyayari ngayon is Halloween party dito sa Duderstadt. The Filipinos here are well organized. They are really like one big community.
Always funny, always in a good mood.
Very friendly people.
Mahalaga siya para magkaano din yung mga Pilipino,
Kilala din yung ibang mga Pinoy dito. Filipinos here are full of love, energy, and they are really well organized, and they really value each other.
Deswegen, wir sind hier zusammen, weil wir sind eine Community.
Always too much food. All are crazy. Yeah, there you only can relax, be yourself, and have a good time.
There's always good food and a lot of music.
I think it's very important para may lugar yung mga Pilipino para maging ma-celebrate yung culture natin without holding back dun sa boldness and the richness of the culture. Like say for example, with the German people, it can be very overwhelming when they see a lot of food, but meron tayong place para mag-party magkakasama, para parehas tayo ng gusto mangyari, and everybody's happy. So it's very important para lahat tayo, we can bring here a piece of the Philippines. I'd like to thank everybody, all the Filipinos. We're lucky that we have a big concentration of Filipinos here in this part of Germany. So thank you so much for being part of this event and making this event successful.